Say goodbye to range anxiety and limited charging options with these 10 portable EV charging stations that offer unmatched convenience, flexibility, and performance. From long road trips to spontaneous adventures, they'll become your trusted companions. So let's dive into the world of revolutionary charging solutions and discover how these 10 gems can transform the way you charge your electric car. Are you tired of waiting in long queues at public charging stations, desperately hoping for an available spot? Say hello to ZipCharge, the game-changing portable EV charger that guarantees seamless charging for electric vehicles, commercial electric vehicles, electric trucks, buses, and off-highway vehicles. Its impressive 4 kilowatt-hour capacity and 7.2 kilowatt charging capability ensure you have enough range for your daily driving needs. But that's not all. ZipCharge is taking charging to the next level by building a network of flexible charging hubs. Imagine a world where multiple ZipCharge units come together, providing convenient and low-cost charging for every electric vehicle owner. With ZipCharge expected to launch this year, the future of charging is just around the corner.
Having trouble creating your online course video? At 10 Studio, we specialize in creating video courses for instructors like you. With our 7 years of experience and 80+ completed projects, we're confident that we can make your course engaging and easy to understand. To get more students and increase your earnings through attractive online course videos, contact 10 Studio today.
Are you an avid camper, outdoor worker, or simply someone who values being prepared for emergencies? Meet the Alcatel P2001 Power Station, a portable powerhouse that can keep your appliances and devices running during your outdoor escapades or unexpected power outages. With a mighty 2,000 watt-hour capacity and a 2,000 watt pure sine wave inverter, this beast can handle up to 4,000 watt surge power, ensuring your high-power devices are well taken care of. The Alcatel P2001 comes equipped with a plethora of output ports, including 4 AC outlets, 2 DC ports, 2 USB-A ports, 2 USB-C ports, and even a car socket. Want to keep an eye on the battery level, input-output power, and charging status? No problem. The built-in LCD screen has you covered. When it comes to recharging the P2001, you have multiple options: solar panels, wall outlets, or car outlets. If you need a powerful and portable EV charger, you should check out the Chempower TSeries DC charging station. This device has a sturdy and lightweight design that makes it easy to move around. It can deliver up to 40 kilowatts of power and charge 2 vehicles at the same time with 20 kilowatts each. It also has LED lights and a 7-inch touchscreen that shows you the charging progress. You can use this charger with an EV standard such as CCS, GBT, or Type 2. It is also waterproof and cloud connected for your convenience and safety. With the Chempower movable charger, you can say goodbye to static charging and embrace the freedom of movement. Meet the Monster X S2000 from ALLPOWERS, the ultimate portable power station for your electric vehicle. This amazing device can charge multiple gadgets at once and even boost your Tesla's battery life. The S2000 has a high-performance battery that uses 3C high-rate lithium-ion cells, giving you more power in a compact size. With its 2,000 watt AC outputs, you can plug in your electric vehicle and get an extra 7.5 miles of range in no time. The Monster X also has a fast recharge time and a durable design. Its 1,700 watt battery pack is encased in an aluminum alloy frame and covered by an ABS Plus PC shell, making it easy to transport and handle. If you're looking for a reliable backup power station for your EV that also has a great quality, the Monster XS 2000 power station from ALLPOWERS is the perfect choice. Do you need a power station that can scale with your energy demands, providing enough juice for even the most power-hungry devices? Look no further than the Ecoflow Delta Pro, a modular power station that adapts to your needs. Starting with an impressive 2,600 watt-hour capacity, it can expand all the way up to a mind-boggling 25,200 watt-hour by adding extra battery pack. Whether you want to power up to 13 devices simultaneously or charge your electric car with its built-in EV charger delivering up to 2,400 watts, the Delta Pro has got your back. And with 6 AC outlets, 4 USB-C A ports, and 2 USB-C ports, a car socket, and a 12-volt DC port, you can plug in virtually anything you need. Worried about keeping track of the power levels and charging status? The smart touchscreen ensures you're always in the know. As with many of these innovative products, you can recharge the Delta Pro from solar panels, wall outlets, or car outlets, making it an excellent choice for sustainable energy enthusiasts. Fasten your seatbelts, because Juice Booster 2 is about to take your EV charging experience to the next level. This portable EV charger packs a punch with its impressive 22 kilowatt output, enabling you to charge your electric vehicle up to 10 times faster than a standard wall socket. No need to worry about the weather or rugged terrain, as Juice Booster 2 is waterproof, dustproof, and shockproof, built to withstand the elements and even the weight of a car. Its intelligent adapter system automatically adjusts the charging current to match the available power source, making it versatile for various charging scenarios. Use it with any domestic or industrial socket, or connect it to a CEE plug for camping sites, and you're good to go. Looking for a no-nonsense portable EV charger that gets the job done efficiently and effectively? Say hello to Electron Nema 1030 Level 2, the charging solution that delivers a charging speed up to 3 times faster than a standard wall socket. No more waiting around for hours to get your electric vehicle fully charged. With its 16-amp output, this is the ideal charging companion for your J1772 connector-equipped EV. Worried about reaching your car from the charging station? The extra-long cable ensures you have enough slack to comfortably access your vehicle. Stay informed about the charging process with the LED indicator that displays the charging status and any error codes. And for added convenience, Electron Nema 1030 Level 2 comes with a J-hook nozzle holster and a dock bundle, making it easy to store and mount the charger when not in use. Looking for a reliable backup power source for your home or outdoor activities? Ecoflow Delta has got you covered. This solar generator features a mighty 1,260 watt-hour capacity and an 1,800 watt pure sine wave inverter, ensuring it can handle most of your essential appliances and devices with ease. But what makes Ecoflow Delta truly remarkable is its patented Xtreme technology, enabling it to recharge from 0% to 80% in just 1 hour. Say goodbye to long charging times and hello to quick and efficient energy replenishment. Whether you're camping in the great outdoors or facing a power outage at home, Ecoflow Delta's multiple output ports, including 6 AC outlets, 4 USB-A ports, 2 USB-C ports, and a car socket have got you covered. As with other Ecoflow products, you can recharge the Delta using solar powers, wall outlets, or car outlets, providing you with a plethora of charging options. Are you an avid camper, an outdoor enthusiast, or someone who requires backup power during emergencies? Look no further than the BLUETTI AC200P, a portable power station that can handle all your energy needs with ease. Sporting an impressive 2,000 watt-hour LiFePO4 battery and a 2,000 watt pure sine wave inverter, this powerhouse can handle up to 4,800 watt surge power, making it a reliable source of energy for high-power devices. With its 6 AC outlets, 1 DC port, 4 USB-A ports, 1 USB-C port, and a car socket, you can power various devices simultaneously, turning your camping trips or outdoor work into enjoyable experiences. Worried about tangled cords and limited charging options? BLUETTI AC200P comes with wireless charging pads on top of the unit, allowing you to charge your devices cord-free. Recharge your AC200P from solar panels, wall outlets, or car outlets, and never worry about running out of power again. Takova is a portable power station that can charge not only your devices and appliances, but also your electric vehicle. It's the world's first power station with an integrated EV charger that can provide up to 20 kilometers of travel range. Takova has a large capacity of 2026 watt-hour and a high capacity of 3,600 watts, making it suitable for home backup, outdoor camping, and emergency situations. Additionally, it has an integrated AC charging connector that can directly plug into the EV's charging port without the need for a heavy adapter. This means that you can use it to charge your EV anywhere. This charging station can also be recharged by your EV's car charger, so you can use it as a backup power source for your other devices and appliances. Takova is compatible with most EV models, such as Tesla, Nissan Leaf, Hyundai Kona, and more. It is a great product for EV owners who want to have more flexibility and convenience in their travel and lifestyle. So that concludes our list of the 10 portable EV charging stations that you must have. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you find this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.